Hello aspirants, welcome to AQBIS YouTube channel. This video forms a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's video, we will discuss about National Mineral Exploration Trust. So before I discuss about this trust, let me contextualize why it was in news. So recently, Mines Minister called for restructuring of this trust. He said that this restructuring as an autonomous body will provide an impetus to the mineral exploration process in our country. So from the prelims perspective, you must be aware of this body, important aspects of this body, significance of this body, moreover, the origin of this body. So as far as the origin of this body is concerned, then it was established in 2015. You must be aware of 1957 Act, Mines and Minerals Act 1957. So this act was amended in 2015. And as a result of this amendment, NMET, this National Mineral Exploration Trust, was established. Moreover, this amendment introduced transparent and competitive auction process. So this is another important point that you must know as far as this amendment is concerned. Moreover, as far as the funding of this trust is concerned, then this trust receives funds from central government, from states, and it receives funds from mining lease holders as well. Okay, so from central government, states, and mining lease holders. Now, Minister pointed out one more fact, that a country like India, which is a resource-rich country, this country should be put in efforts to give further flip to the mineral exploration so that imports can be curtailed. So this is the entire objective behind giving a different shape to this trust. Now, the private sector is also reluctant as far as the investment in mining sector is concerned. Why? Because there are so many stringent conditions, there are so many bottlenecks. So that's why minister said these bottlenecks, these stringent conditions should be removed so that firms can start investing in this sector. Besides this, minister said we need to find an efficient way to provide financial assistance to states as well. He said we must streamline the process of providing the financial assistance to states. Why? Because mineral exploration process is an integrated process and it requires huge amount of funds. So some help needs to be given to states as well. Okay, so from the prelims perspective, you must be aware of the amendment that 1957 Act was amended in 2015, and as a result, this trust was established. Moreover, you must be aware of the funding, that it receives the funds from the central government, it receives the funds from the states, and it receives the fund from mining leaseholders as well. Okay, so from the prelims perspective, this much information is more than sufficient. Okay, so if you have liked our video, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.